Yeah, I built it to drive. That was my goal. You know, I wanted to build something I could drive to work every day and still get good mileage out of it, but then still have, you know, 700-800 horsepower. I'm Justin Meyer and I'm at Holley LS Fest West. It's a small cubic inch, 4.8 LS, and we did a Vortec YSI, the V7 race trim supercharger on it. It's running about 18 pounds of boost. It's got all Holley's fuel pump and mid-rise intake on it. It's a pretty fun car. We build cars, so we build a lot of sleds and stuff, and this is mainly, they turn these into sleds, so I wanted to build something that was like a 70s style hot rod, and I think that's what I accomplished. It's a small cubic inch, 4.8. We did a big set of heads on it. Holley's mid-rise intake. It's got injector dynamics, the ID1000 injectors. We did a flex fuel setup, so I could run it on pump gas or E85. So right now it's on full ethanol, so I can get some more timing, some more power out of it. But it runs good. I've had it for about 5 years, 6 years. Right when I got it, it had a 6-cylinder in it, and it wasn't fun to drive. I'm a horsepower guy, so. I started tearing it apart, and it snowballed into full frame and powder coating, and it snowballed. It always does. But that's when I got into the motor, and I thought, well, if I go this far, I might as well go that far. And so I thought I wanted to put a fuel-injected motor in it. So I started researching it, and it was just going to be a stock 4.8 with a small supercharger, and it kind of went out of control from there.